Okay, today we're going to install the drivers and the Lenovo tablet. Okay, this is the Lenovo tablet. Uh, is the one X103f. Uh, the first thing we gotta do, we have to connect the tablet. Okay, so let's open the device manager. Okay, and we connect the tablet. Okay, so it's right there. Okay, so we don't need this. Oh yeah, this is the one we need. Okay, this one we don't need. Okay, so we need to fix this right here. Okay, so what we do, we open this folder right here with the drivers, and this is what we're gonna install. Okay, so you just double click, give permission, nets, don't worry about that, click nets, and maybe that is gonna change because it's doing very well. So we'll see. Okay, finish. We close this window, we don't need it no more. So now to see if it is work, we have to restart the computer. Okay, so we're gonna restart the computer, and it'll restart real fast, but we're not gonna wait. I'm gonna let it start again, and then I'll come back. Okay, it's almost done. Remember, your tablet needs to be plugged in all the time. Okay, so supposedly now the ADB bridge supposed to be done now. Okay, so we're gonna see if that happened. No, it's still here. Okay, so that is fine. Okay, even though I installed the drivers for this tablet, I'll show you. It's right here. See, Lenovo USB drivers. Okay, but it still did not fix the bridge. This is supposed to disappear here and appear right here somewhere. Okay, so what I did, I googled the latest Google USB drivers. You Google that and you find it right there. You download that. You put them in your whatever you want to put it. Okay, I got mine here and I strapped it right here. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna install these drivers here. Okay, to fix this, because right now, if I open the command prompt and type ADB, my tablet is not going to be recognized. You watch. ADB devices. Press enter, and my tablet should be there saying device, but it's not because of this right here. Okay, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, so we right click and we go to install drivers. Browse my computer. Let me pick. That is fine. You click next. I have a disk. You click here, and you're gonna look for that. Okay, so you browse, and it's right here. But see when you first do it, it's gonna be right here or wherever you put it. Okay, so you just double click on that. Double click on that. Okay, just open. Okay, and this is what you want. Okay, so you click on that and you say okay, and now you know that's what you want, so you press up next. It's gonna tell you not to. You say yes I do, and you say you install this, and if it works you should change this to over here. Okay, so watch. It'll take a couple seconds, but see, Windows has successfully updated your device driver. Okay, so we close this, and there you go. See, this is no longer here. Okay, so now you can check ADB devices. See, and now there it is. Okay, so even though I installed the drivers that comes with the tablet, it didn't work that well, so I have to use this one. So if you have any trouble with your drivers for your phone or your Lenovo tablet, this is all you have to do. Okay, so if you like this video, share this video with your friends. Please leave a comment, any questions you have, and please subscribe. Okay, so thank you very much. Enjoy this video.